Snow Joe Melt to Go, 25 pounds. So this arrived in a box. It arrived safe. It was all packed flat. And just remember, it's 25 pounds when you're carrying it to wherever you're going to carry it to. I used this last year. It worked great. I'm in Delaware, and it's rare that we get to negative 10 degrees, but at least I know I'm covered if we do. It's pretty fast-acting stuff. I'll throw it down in the driveway before the snow hits, if I'm able to, and that seemed to work out pretty good last year. I got a little dog here, and this ice melt's pet-friendly, so that makes me feel better about it. It's less likely, to be irritating to his paws. And this stuff's also friendly to the environment, so it doesn't leave any residue behind. And it's also safe on the grass. So if I'm doing my drive and I get it in the yard or the flower bed, I don't have to worry about it. I took this little Propel bottle and cut it in half right here so that I could, I got a little handle on here so I can scoop it out of here. And this works fantastic. Stuff still dries my skin out a little, but it's not as bad as rock salt does. But it works good. It's safe for the environment. And my hands and my dog love it, and it's got a cool name, Snow Joe Melt to Go.